7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about Quant. Quant is an altcoin, currently ranked number 63 on CoinMarketCap, currently trading for $65 in the last 1 year. It has gone as low as $37 and as high as $428. It has a market capitalization of $790 million. Guys, in this video we'll be looking at the Quant versus US dollar price chart. Should we be calling Quant through the bear market? Are we in a bear market? We're looking at Quant versus Bitcoin. We'll also be looking at Quant versus Ethereum. I'm also looking at the QNT market cap chart, and then we'll look at the QNT dominant chart. We'll be looking at QNT's road to $600. How long will it take it to get to $600? Do we have to wait for the next bull run before we can see Quant at $600? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, in the last 1 year, Quant is up 66%. In the last 1 month, it's down 28%. And in the last 1 week and the last day, it's down 0.6%. So it's fairly stable. It's actually outperforming Bitcoin in the last 1 year. That's a good sign to see. Quant is currently ranked number 63. And we have 12 million coins in circulation. The maximum supply of coins we can have in circulation is 14.6 million coins. It has a trading volume in the last 24 hours of $32 million. Just a quick history was Quant. Quant was launched in 2018 June with the goal of connecting blockchains and network on a global scale without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. It's the first project to solve the interoperability problem through the creation of the first blockchain operating system. Where can you get some Quants if you want to get some for yourself and hold through the bear market? You can get them on Binance, you can get them on Qcoin, Coinbase, Uniswap, Bybit, Gate.io, Kraken. Anywhere you get your favorite altcoin, is a pretty popular altcoin. You can see that over 193,000 people have it on their watch list. Now, QNT against the US dollar. It has been a wonderful ride for Quant against the US dollars from August 2018 when it was launched. It has just been an up-only market for it. All people have been buying it, or if you have just been dollar cost averaging, you would have been in profit in 374 bars, which is 1,120 days, because this is a 3-day time frame we are using. Quant went up over 247,000%. Guys, crazy. It went from as low as $0.15 for one to as high as $428. So the all-time high for Quant right now is $428. So you see that our $600 on target is not sounding so outrageous. It can actually get to $600. Problem is, how long are we going to wait? Is it going to do that right now, or do we have to wait for another Bitcoin bull run? The charts will be telling us that. We're looking at the Bitcoin and the Ethereum pairing charts, but let's look at the dollar pairing right now. You can see that it went up over 240-something thousand percent. Right now, from the all-time high, Quant is actually down over 89%, and which is normal for altcoins after having that kind of monster run. And you can see that it didn't just pump in a straight line. It had some dips along the way. We had a 67% dip right here. We had a 90% dip right here, and that 90% dip, it was still up over 867% from the bottom. From the bottom, we pumped over 9,500%. Then we had a 90% dip. It was still up. After that 9% dip, this was a COVID sell-off. What happened to Quant, guys? It went on another monster run. From the COVID sell-off, when it was trading for $1.49, it went to as high as $395 or $400 and something on some exchanges, and that was a 27,000% move. So you see that even if you didn't buy the bottom and you just bought the chunk of the move, you would have actually gotten mad profits with Quant. But right now, a lot of people bought the top. A lot of people heard about it when it was actually very expensive, probably around $60 or above $50. Right now, you are probably at break even, or you're hoping to get more or to sell some. Should you be getting more, guys? The answer will be should wait for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still undecided. History has showed us that over time, Bitcoin is always attracted to its 200-week moving average. And right now, Bitcoin's 200-week moving average is at 22K. And it looks as if Bitcoin wants to come back to touch that average. We don't know whether Bitcoin will do it, but you can see that on the final fall for Bitcoin, so the capitulation event for Bitcoin is always brutal. So there will be a pump. Now we might pump in June. We might have this kind of pump that we had in February 2020 before we have the final drop that will take everybody out. And you can even see in 2018, Bitcoin, before we had the final capitulation, Bitcoin dumped 50% during the final drop. The COVID sell-off, what happened? Bitcoin dropped almost 60% during that final drop. You see 60% during that final drop. So Bitcoin can actually drop another 50%, 60%, or Bitcoin can pump to maybe like 30K, 35K, and then drop another 50%. Only time we tell right now, but we have to wait for Bitcoin to show us the way. But you can see that the support for Quant to get some, I'll be getting some at this $33 region. That's if it falls another 50%. The problem with all coins, guys, is that in the bear market, they can actually fall over 94%. For Quant to fall 98% to take you back to $6, and for it to fall around 95, 96%, you still be trading around $17. That's not actually out of realms of possibility. And if you have Quant now, right now, you're watching this video, you're thinking, oh, why is it spreading fall? Why is it saying to crash? Guys, that's what all coins do during the bear market. They actually dump. But for us to get to $600, we were talking about how to get $600. We have to wait for the bottom to come in. So if I assume that the bottom of Quant will probably come in around $25, $26, and that's if the whole market drops another 50%, which I think is very, very possible. Or is this the bottom of the market, and in future we'll be saying, why didn't you just sell everything and get some Quant at $65? But guys, I think QNT can actually go to over even $600. $600 is our target in this video. I think it can go to over $600. In the next bull run, it can get to as high as $1,000 per coin. Yes, it's very, very possible it can get to over $1,000 per coin. If you go to the QNT market cap chart, you can see that the market cap chart topped around $5 billion. So it's not really overvalued like that. I'll be looking to get some in the bear market. It's not really overvalued. If you look at it at $5 billion, it still has room to run. But it has been up only for the market cap chart since when it was launched in 2018. It has been up only even through the crypto bear market. So it has been grinding. It was just very, very, very fortunate that Quant was launched around the bottom of the market. So since when it has been launched, it didn't really go through the really brutal phase of the 2018 bear market. It has just been in the upside only, the good side of the market. So in the last 1,000 days, is up over 59,000%. That's the market cap of Quant. It's up over 59,000%. But now it's dumping. Just like with the price chart, the market cap chart is actually dumping. It's down over 88%. And guys, I'm just giving you warning. The fact that I'm expecting to see higher prices don't mean it cannot dump that hard. It can still dump. We can see the market cap go to as low as $180 million. Right now is at $780 million. For it to get to that $180 million from where Quant is right now, it has to drop under 78%. And it's actually possible. Yes, we can go higher. We can really start pumping tomorrow and go higher. But the other possibility is that we can dump again, and that's a possibility for us to dump 70-something% from where we are now on the price chart. That would take Quant to around 16 or sub $20 share. It's taking in sub $20, and that's actually a strong support for it, because that was the top for Quant in 2019. Will that support hold, or will this support hold? Will $6 hold now, and this will be the bottom, and we'll start pumping to the moon, going to $600? Only time we tell right now, but that would depend on whether the Quant versus Bitcoin pairing is holding up. You can see that the RSI for Quant versus Bitcoin is showing us that we are probably at the lower ends. So anytime Quant versus Bitcoin's RSI is flashing this signal, that is coming sub 26, that's probably a good time to be flipping your Bitcoin for some Quant. But guys, we've not actually seen Quant's performance in the bear market. That's actually the tricky situation. Yes, it might go up in price. We'll get to $600 eventually, but we will not do that overnight. If we're in the bear market, the whole crypto market's in the bear market, you expect Quant 2 to be in the bear market. And guys, another worrying thing is that Bitcoin dominance is actually increasing. And for us to actually see all these altcoins go into crazy valuations, we'll need to see Bitcoin dominance reducing. At the same time, the total crypto market cap should be increasing. If those two conditions are met and you see the total crypto market cap increasing and then you see Bitcoin dominance reducing, and that will be good for altcoins like QNT included, and that will be very, very good for QNT. You see increased valuations, and QNT has real life use case and it's still very relatively cheap. That's because we knew that it has gotten to $5 billion. But guys, these altcoins can get way, way, way cheaper than you think. If you see the Bitcoin pairing, I still think Bitcoin will still gain value over Quant. So Quant will lose value on the Bitcoin pairing. It might lose probably 30, 40, 50%. The only thing that will determine how low it will go is how low Bitcoin actually dumps. I won't be surprised to see QNT lose maybe 44% on its Bitcoin pairing. That's still not bearish for it. The whole market is bearish. That's how it's gonna be, guys. QNT on Ethereum, that's actually another chart that is giving me hope on QNT. You can see that this is a very, 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 very strong support for QNT, the region we are right now on the Ethereum price chart. QNT and Ethereum probably have the same price action. You can see that QNT against Ethereum is at a strong support, and if this support breaks, guys, it might get really, really ugly. And anything that is making QNT lose value against Ethereum is either Ethereum is pumping harder or the market is dumping and Ethereum is not dumping as hard as QNT. And guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be holding your QNT through the bear market? Are you loading your bags right now for the next bull run? Are you hoping to see higher prices? Are you waiting for $600 to come very soon? Because guys, kid you not, it might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, it might not be 2023, but sometime in the nearest future, Quant is actually going to get to $600. And history has showed us that all you have to do is to be patient. Don't forget, do your research in all these projects. You don't want to be aping in on random coins. And you can see Quant on dominance chart, the all-time high was set on 10th of September 2021. It got to as high as 0.24% of the total crypto market. Since then, it has lost over 74% of its dominance and it is down to 0.04%. You want to see Quant going to new all-time high. It set its previous all-time high on the 7th of September. It got to as high as $428. When will it get to $600? Only time will tell. I think it will get there, but we'll have to go through this mini crypto bear market that we're in right now. We have to wait for Bitcoin to show us the way. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about Quant? Is it dead? Is it going to go into new all-time highs? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.